understood as any genuine disciple understands, that the Guru Vani, the instructions of the spiritual master, are more important than Vapu, physical presence. And that the spiritual master, the presence, we say the Vapu, you can say the Vapu is in the Vani. And the Vani is in the Vapu. When the form is here, the Vani is emanating from that form. And we're perceiving the instructions and getting guidance and correction and knowledge and philosophy and ultimately bhav and prem from the sacred holy words of the spiritual master. But in his absence, then in his instructions, he is personally present. So in separation from Guru, then Guru is there in his Vapu is in his Vani. Very interesting point. Then in the instructions, in the teachings, in the words and teachings, instructions of the spiritual master, his form is there.